Last but not least, we have chord inversions. So a chord inversion is when we switch the sequence of notes within the chord. So if I play a C major triad on the piano, which I can create by playing the first, third, and the fifth intervals simultaneously, I get the C major triad. Now if I move the C note up to the next C and play it up here, we get first inversion. I can do it again by moving the E note up to the next E, and that's what we call second inversion. So we're changing the sequence of notes within the chord, and by doing so, we get a different sound, which is sometimes also easier to play. Now on the bass guitar, if I play a C major triad, then this is my C note, this is my third, and this is my fifth. But if I play this low E string here, instead of here, I get a different chord, which is the first inversion of C major triad. Basically, a chord inversion is when you switch the notes and you move the lowest note up. It's the first inversion. You move the second lowest note up. It's the second inversion. Third lowest note up. Third inversion. And if you have extended chords like a seventh, ninth, you can invert your chord even more times.